Hi YouTube. So today I'm gonna do a get ready with me. Today is actually my boyfriend's birthday, so I'm gonna be hanging out with him today. But today I've also been feeling kind of crappy. Just kind of woke up like irritated today. So I know something that I do whenever I'm kind of having a bad day is get pretty, make up my face, do my hair. Yeah, so let's get started. I've already like washed and like did my lock method on my hair, so now I'm just gonna like style it and do my makeup. So stay tuned. So lately I've been using this rice primer. I have really oily skin, and this rice primer has really been helping my skin look matte and don't get oily. So for Christmas, someone bought me a Aero Blend, which is like this airbrush machine that does makeup, and I absolutely love it. I've been using it since I got it. So guys, I use eyeshadow so much for a lot of different things, and I go to the eyebrow like gel pencils and things so fast. So I've started using eyeshadow, and it actually works like just as good. It makes my eyebrows look fuller. Just make sure you have the right brush so you can get like the precision right. But eyeshadow, absolutely love it. If you guys would like to see a video on hacks I use with eyeshadow, then comment below and I'll make a video for you. So for this, I'm not using concealer. I use concealer sometimes, but not all the time. I'm actually using one of the highlight options that's in the Maybelline palette that I showed. Thinking of wearing something like tomboyish but cute. So yeah, let me figure this out. So as you see, I ended up going with the long gray shirt. I actually changed my hair too. I changed it to 2 puffs. I've been feeling the puffs lately. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.